Hi, we're gonna go ahead and put together our green screen, portable green screen. I already have one of our posts assembled mostly, so I'll show you what that looks like here. You're gonna get a post that looks like this. You will go ahead and extend the bottom. So the base is gonna look like this, and you'll try to make your bases about the same size. Now remember, you're working with middle schoolers, so you want to make that sturdy enough so that if somebody bumps into it, it's not gonna come crashing down on the head. All right, your next step then is to go ahead and assemble that crossbar that your green screen will go on. Super simple if you've ever put together anything like a tent. I'm sure there are other things that use these sorts of things. CrossNet, that's what my kids are into right now. So anyway, you're gonna go ahead and click these together. You'll have 4 provided, but I don't think you'll need 4. And then I've got those together. Now, the next part is to take your green screen. Each green screen does have a place where you can thread that through. And so I'm gonna go ahead and thread, just like you would any kind of curtain, thread that through the crossbar that's gonna go on the green screen, or that holds the green screen. Easier said than done, right? Now our green screens do come, some of our kits come with 2 screens instead of just 1, those smaller ones. So in this case, I would need to do a second one. For our purposes today, I'm not going to. Then you'll notice at the end of each of your each end of your crossbar, you're gonna have a larger hole where you will thread through our base then. So I'm gonna move this one on down. If you're short like I am, you'll want to do this part before you raise. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. This is definitely easier with 2 people, but you can do it with 1, like I just did right there. You have wing nuts that come in your kit. So go ahead and secure the crossbar at the top. That's gonna keep that bar from crashing down if somebody bumps it. On top of someone's head. So I'm going to do that at both ends. And then you are ready to raise your green screen. Simply push this up. You'll have to go in increments if you're doing this by yourself. Tighten up. And then I'll go down and do the same thing at the other end. You'll see that it actually goes pretty high so that your students, your tall 7th and 8th graders, maybe 6th graders, have enough space to record. To disassemble, you just go backwards. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help.